is Raisi Daniela, and first of all, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Bristol family for taking us out to another wonderful experience. Of course, today we used the Basilica 125. It's actually a classic bike, and for me, napaka-elegant, no? Of course, I really like the aesthetics of the bike, no?
Hi guys, this is Mau Manikis from Bristol Elite, and we are here at Casa Batik. We just tried the new Bristol Basilica at it was a nice experience, mga paddy. Masaya ako na we are one of the chosen ones na unang mag-try ng motor, and it's a very nice bike. If you love classic bike, you can consider Bristol Basilica. Yung price range niya napaka-mura kumpara doon sa ini-offer ng motor. So as you can see, yung Bristol Basilica, napakaganda ng design niya. Very classic bike.
Good day, Rides with Potato here, part of the Bristol Elite. And ngayong araw kasama natin yung Bristol Elite together with Rides with Daniela, Kuya Mau, and Boss Batusay. And ang gamit naming motor is yung Basilica 125 of Bristol Motorcycle. And we had good food, tapos napakaganda ng mga lugar na pinuntahan namin. And syempre, maraming salamat dun sa Yoshimitsu na restaurant na kinainan namin. Grabe, napakaganda rin ng lugar na pinuntahan namin. Kagaya dito sa Casa Batik, napaka-stunning ng view. And masasabi ko dun sa motor na gamit namin, very relaxing. Tapos napaka-komportable niyang i-drive. Syempre, classic na scooter, hindi siya meant for high speed. Chill lang kami nagra-ride together with the Bristol Elite. Lalo na si Rides with Daniela, napaka-ano lang namin, pacing lang kami.
Total experience, napakasaya ng adventure natin ngayong araw. We drove around Gapan, Nueva Ecija. We first had our breakfast, then dumiretso tayo dun sa mini vegan dito sa Gapan City. Then right after we enjoyed the place, lumipat tayo dito sa Casa Batik. At na-surprise ako, sobrang ganda ng lugar.
Nakakatuwa actually yung mga tao dito sa Gapan, ano? Nakakatuwa, very accommodating and very welcoming talaga ng vibes nila. So would I consider buying the Basilica 125? Of course, yes, kasi wala pa naman akong classic bike, and it's really one of the most competitive classic bike in the market right now. At a very short ride ay naging comfortable kami agad with the bike. So hindi namin kinailangan mag-adjust because it's already smooth as it is. Yun.
So if you guys are interested to try this Basilica 125, please do visit Bristol Motorcycle branches, especially sa Caloocan, Metro Manila. And pwede kayong magkaroon ng chance na itry yung mga motor na gamit namin mismo ngayon with Bristol Elite.
So see you sa future ride ng Bristol Elite. Again, this is Rides with Daniela, a proud member of Bristol Elite. Ingat!
Maraming salamat syempre sa opportunity na to. Another one for Bristol Elite and more to come. Maraming salamat, Bristol Motorcycle.